Order is the first law of business. Sa lahat ng may business, sa ating lahat ng negosyante, dapat meron mo ng order, kayusan, organization. So, for example, every day, first hour of the morning, organize mo muna yung table mo and organize mo yung sarili mo. Bago ka magpatawag ng meeting, bago ka may kausapin, first order of your business, first order of the day, organize your table, organize the things na dapat mong gawin para malaman mo kung ano yung important, kung ano yung urgent, kung ano yung mauna so that you can prioritize properly. Hindi pwedeng pa-meeting ka na ng pa-meeting nang hindi organize ang dapat mong unahin. Order is the first law of business. Let's go, let's go. Kape po tayo. Kape po.